Hello and welcome to first episode of eScoot College. So in this episode, this is a little bit different episode, and I'm gonna actually check later if sound isn't okay, and we'll probably do a post video commentary. So we have a Navee S65 that we're gonna open and just show you how to replace a controller and the battery on it. I'm not great at doing commentary and working at the same time, so just basically look at this as a guide video with a bit of a commentary every now and then. So we have 18 Phillips screws to take them off, and then underneath the battery is held on four hex screws, and the controller is on 2 hex screws. They're quite simple, except there is one small trick how to get the battery out. I'll show you that in a minute. It's not difficult at all. Quite simple, couple of cables to disconnect. Brilliant thing is that they're all technically different, except for one connector. One connector is actually, well, there are two of them the same, but they're in different color. And those are some of the things that I actually really honestly like to see on scooters. The guys from Navee did show that, well, they had a couple of fails on this scooter. They could have done it better regarding a couple of things, but when it comes to a controller, I actually like it, except for the part that you can do a speed hack so far. Okay, so we take off cover. There we go. So here is our controller and there is our battery. Now I hope you actually can't hear any extra sound. The guy in the room next to me, he's talking 5 hours straight without stopping. And he's loud and there is no insulation. So we have 2 hex here. I didn't even check what's that, which hex is that for? Yeah, hex 4 for a controller. Usually I would first take connectors off. So battery has 3 connectors. Power connector, battery communication connector for controller, and a charging connector. And then we have 2 cables for a motor, phase cable, and we have here a hull cable, and here we have a taillight cable. I'll show you all those cables when I'm plugging them back in, but we're gonna first take the dashboard cable, or not. It's a bit tight when it comes to space, and I'm wearing my gloves, so there. So that's your controller out. Another hex is there. Okay. Yeah, that's your controller. So you have only those 2 exactly the same cables, well, connectors, 6 pins, but they're a different color, so you can't make a big mess up, except if you swap them, then, well, your scooter probably not gonna even turn on. That's it. Yeah, controller is nice. Okay, now let's take out the battery as well. For 4 hacks. 1, 2, 3, and that one will go out later, and 4. Now, trick with the battery. So if you try and just take it out like this, it's going to be hard. So motor cable, taillight cable, grab them together, because there's a small canal there on the side, you know. So grab them together and try and take them out like this. You also have a brake cable there, but shouldn't affect too much. Yeah, I did this before so that I don't get surprises. And yeah, there we go. Because you have those canals on the side of the battery where the cables are kind of going, even though there is a bit of a space there as well. So there's your battery. I'm just gonna pick up my screws there. Is that all of them? Yeah, okay, just make sure. Aluminum case similar to Xiaomi Pro, and actually I'm wondering, are internals on Xiaomi 4 Ultra be exactly the same? I kind of have a feeling that actually it will be the same. Okay, so battery back in, cable on the side, put it gently back there. Okay, align threads nicely and put everything back together. That's it. It's really not too complicated if you align those threads properly. There. I'll be honest, one thing about this Bosch, okay, I have this Bosch now for a while, and battery doesn't last too long. I need to recharge it every now and then. But I love it because I can use it as a screwdriver as well. That's absolutely cool thing. And there's the last one. Okay. Need to loosen those just to make sure. Okay. Okay, now the fun part. Fit all the connectors in with my gloves on. Okay, so first we're going to put a dashboard connector. Then the next one's going to be a taillight connector. Now let me try and flip it around. Now we have a motor hull connector. Yeah. Don't forget to connect a battery charging port, of course. Wait, yeah. And what are we missing? Oh, no, we're not missing. It's there. Just couldn't see it yet. And the BMS. for battery data. Now connecting the battery, okay, make sure you're connecting it proper way, and then a motor phase wires. You have like you can't connect it the wrong way around, and that's it. Yep. Okay, and there, and here's a last packs there. Now put the cover back on, and we're finished. One interesting thing, I don't see any. Oh, I actually do. Sorry. Just I heard a bit of lots of plastic to metal knocking, and I was like, don't tell me that they didn't put any seal. Well, they did, but the cover is pretty tight. Now closing the deck, I'm gonna do like a zigzag pattern. And yeah, that's gonna be quite simple and easy to do, and what, probably 5-10 minute job. Now, as usual guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, hit that like. Also, if you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe. If you have any ideas about any future videos, leave it in the comments down below, and I'll do my best to make those videos as quick as possible. eScoot College idea is actually to help you with repairs, and hopefully I'll be making more of those videos. Of course, it's not super cheap to buy those scooters, so viewing these videos, liking them, commenting is actually helping me making them, because, well, it helps YouTube algorithm think that I'm super popular and shows it to more people, and then with more interest it's helping my YouTube channel grow, and that is giving me more reasons to continue making these videos. So yeah, please guys, make sure that you interact in any way you can. It takes you in most cases a couple of minutes or even a couple of seconds to press like, share, etc. It takes me a little bit longer to make these videos, but yeah, it helps me out, and I'll make sure to make more of them. Till next time, lads, you know the drill. Stay safe out there and respect other road users. Cheers, bye bye.